Zapier charging $70 a month just to send emails on autopilot. No, just switch to Pabbly, and it's not only cheaper, it's faster, unlimited, and way more creator friendly. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in under 5 and why it might be the automation hack you have been waiting for. Whether you're running YouTube channel, managing client workflows, or selling digital products, automation saves you hours every day. Pabbly does everything Zapier do, but without limits, and that's a game changer. So first thing first, what is Pabbly? Pabbly is a no-code automation platform that lets you connect to your favorite apps, YouTube, Gmail, Notion, Instagram, Stripe, ConvertKit, and automate what used to take hours. Is this then that, but on steroids? And unlike Zapier, there are no task limits. You pay once and you are ready to go. So just come to this website, and I'll provide the link in the description, and click on the access now on the Pabbly Connect one. Now let's build a real scenario. Here you can see the folders, and here all of your workflows will be shown here. Whenever you click on the plus, you can even create a, let me just not a demo. Here you will be able to create some more subfolders in that folder. You just click one for demo. Yes, now let's try to build a workflow. There are this is the new version of them, and this is the classic. I'll go with the classic one that I'm familiar with. As you can see, it has started to generate the automation. So right now you can see two things. First one is triggered, and the second one is actions. So on the trigger section, you can see there are lots of ads like the Amazon seller, Apollo, Anydo, Big Commerce, Bitform, Big Bucket, Active Content. It has a lots of apps already built in with this site. Even Academy, you name it, and it's already have it. So firstly, we go with this schedule thing, schedule workflow, and I'll select this to every day and set the time to 9 p.m. So this click on save. It's showing me what I have selected. I want my workflow to run every day. The time will be this American local time zone. I can change if you want to change the time zone. Okay, right now I want. It's okay for me. Yeah, click on save. Now from here, action. I have to select an app. As you can see, it also has a lots of actions, apps, tributes from Trello, Vonage, Git, Clearbit, Google Drive, Google Sheets, Zoom, Facebook Ad, Custom Audience, Active Campaign, Calendar, Stripe. It has a lots of integration in it, even the WordPress. Okay, right now I will search the ChatGPT, and click on connect. So if you want to add ChatGPT, you will have to connect your OpenAI with this OpenAI API key. And if you don't know how to find your own OpenAI API key, simply click on here. Simply paste your API key right here, and okay, hashtag one will be do not demo. Right now, from here you can select whatever version you want to use. I just go with this GPT-4. Now you'll have to give it a prompt, proper prompt. I'll simply give a prompt like write a 60-second YouTube script for a short form video on 3 productivity hacks that actually work. The tone should be engaging, Gen Z friendly, and hook viewers within the first 5 seconds. Add line breaks for delivery. Okay, it looks good. Okay, save. After you have the selected everything, simply click on this plus icon. Add your Notion. Simply click on the create page and connect your Notion with this. From here, you can see all of your pages. I just simply collect with this one YouTube video ideas and click to allow access, and you are ready to go. Title, give it a title. like okay, and simply click on this save. As you can see, it has generated everything, and simply it will be visible like this. After you're done creating your workflow or automation, simply turn on this and you're ready to go. Okay, I'll just go to the public connect, and as you can see, it's already active, running. And if you have been stuck paying $20 to $100 a month on Zapier or Integromat, Pabbly is the upgrade you have been missing. No fluff, no limits, no recurring bills. And once you learn how to set up your own automations, it's like hiring a 24/7 assistant. Like link the free Pabbly trial is in the below. Drop a comment if you want a full automation. And if this saved you time, hit that like. It helps more than you think. And I'll catch you in the next one.